Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to set up ECA profile. Setting up an ECA profile on ECA Care is important because it helps to manage the practice digitally and connect with patients to provide better healthcare services. Let's say, for example, we want patients to view our specialization, our experience, the number of languages that we know, clinic details. We want to set up clinic availability. All these things can be done with the help of ECA profile. So in this video, we will see how this can be done. Let's click on the profile name at the top, and here let's click on my profile. This is the profile, and here towards the top right we have edit profile option. So when we click on edit profile, we can set up the profile details here. With the help of manage calendar, we'll be able to set up the calendar availability of the clinic. A detailed video is available on how to set up the calendar. If required, please watch that video. And we have basic details. When we click on it, we can add our experience, known languages, specialization, registration and membership related details, and key practice areas. So let's click on about you. Here we can enter the experience, the number of years that we have experience. After adding that, we can give a small intro if required. About the profile, details can be added here. Known languages can be selected. And we have to click on save changes in order to apply the changes that we have made. If we click on specializations, we can add our specialization here. So let's say we want to add certain major specializations that we have, like cardiology or something. We can just search with the help of the search bar and we can get it added. After adding, we have to click on done. Registration and membership details can be added here. After that, we have to click on done. Key practice areas. So if we are specifically focusing towards certain disease, condition or procedure, we can search and we can get it added. So let's say it's something to hearing, heart health. Like this we can search and we can get it added. As we can see, we've got a tick mark for whichever we've added. This way we have to complete the details by adding. Next we have clinic or practice details, and when we click on it, we can add clinic related details. So when we click on basic details, about the clinic name, phone number, when the clinic was started, clinic address, all these details can be added here. After adding, we have to click on done. And under clinic amenities, the available amenities in the clinic needs to be added. So different pay modes, other amenities in the clinic, COVID protocols, all these things are available. We just have to select the amenities that are available and we have to click on done. We can also add clinic photographs. So when we click on clinic photograph, we can add the photographs of the clinic. We have bifurcations here. We can show the interior part of the clinic. We can show the exterior part of the clinic, how the clinic looks from inside and outside. We can also show pictures with the patients in the clinic. All these details can be added here. And we have education and experience. Here we can add the education related details, college or university name, degree, year of passing. And under experience, we can add our experience, the role that we have had, clinic or hospital name, when was the practice started, till when it was continued, all these details. And we have awards and publications. So regarding the awards, we can add here. If we have received any award or something, that can be added, and any publication related details that can be added here. So where it was published, the name of the paper, year of publication, published in which forum, all these details can be added. And if we have any social media link like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, all these links can be added so that patients can follow us on the online platform. This is how we'll be able to set up the ACA profile, and the setup profile will be visible like this. So I'm just searching a doctor here. As we can see, this is the profile. This is the ACA profile. With regards to the information that we have set, all these details are updated. This is how the profile will be visible for the patients whenever they search the doctor profile on Google or any other search browser. So thank you for watching.